All right, before we go outside and put them on a real grill, I wanted to show you on this countertop how they install and how simple they are, where you don't have to take other things apart to make these HeatWaves work in any pellet grill. You take your first HeatWave and you put it right there on the base underneath the grid in the back. Then you take the second HeatWave and slide the front part of the grid on top of that. All pellet grills throw the heat around the drip pan. It comes up the sides, hits the top of the grill, then comes back down. So what we're doing right now is we're trapping that heat with the Smokin Brothers HeatWave and forcing it to come across the grid surface. That does two things. One, it gives you a superheated air wave coming across the grid surface, helping to cook the food faster. Also, it heats up the grid surface at a higher temp so that you can sear in the juices, crisp that skin, explode those brats. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go outside. I'm going to show you how to install it on a regular grill. All right, guys, now we're outside in front of a Premier 30. I'm going to show you how to install the Smokin Brothers HeatWaves. Go ahead and remove the two grids. Slide one HeatWave in the back. Rest the grid on the base of the HeatWave. Slide the second grid on. Grab the front HeatWave. Slide it down in place just like that. And now you're ready to cook. Go ahead and turn the grill on normally. Once it's up to temp, go ahead and turn it to 400 degrees. Now let's watch some food cooked with the Smokin Brothers HeatWaves.